Hey everyone, so welcome back to today's video. We are going to be unboxing 2 boxes this month. It is March, which means we get our Boxyluxe this month. Super excited to see what's inside of it. I have no idea. I haven't checked any other social media, so I really am not certain what we're going to get these boxes, which is kind of exciting because this is, I believe, the first time that I've actually been like completely closed off from seeing any sort of social media. I have the base box as well as the Boxyluxe here with me today, and that's really all I want to tell you guys. We're going to get diving into this right now, and as always, look in the description box for all the information that you guys need about Boxycharm and how to subscribe. So let's get to it. So here is our base box, and here is the card. This month's theme is Lucky. Really cute, actually. I like the card a lot. I like the decor and everything that they did for this. The back side does have the information, and then at the corner, again, I have some random numbers. So the first thing I see here is a wet brush cleaning system with silicone scrubbing pad. And then once you open it, you get this silicone sponge on the back, and then the product is on the inside. You can take it out. You can see that is quite a bit of product. Ooh, it smells like coconut. I actually have an entire basket of brushes that I need to wash tonight, so this will be used immediately. Oh, it has coconut oil. That explains why I smell coconut. This is a vegan product also, and yeah, very cool. Next thing I have here is by Maven Beauty, and this is the Rose Water Setting Spray. Lock down your makeup and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. That's a pretty bold claim. Next up I have, is a eyeshadow palette. This is the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. I am so sorry if my allergies have started to kick back in, so I had to get some allergy medicine in, and usually my allergies consist of like my eyes being really watery, my throat hurts a little bit, like a little, tickle in my throat, and then my nose runs a lot, so it's fun. It's really fun. On the bright side of things, we've got an eyeshadow palette to look at. Here you have it. Wow, this one's gorgeous. Look at that one. Oh, it's got like different shades of purple and pink in it. Oh, I love that. There you go. Look at how beautiful these shades are. This is definitely like a Valentine's lover dream. I love it. I love the packaging of it too. I know it's like a little bulky, but I'm okay with it. Next up we have is a mascara, and it's one of my favorites. It is the Damn Girl by Too Faced mascara. This mascara is phenomenal. I have like 3 more, I believe. That's how much I like it, you guys. The Better Than Sex mascara, it's kind of similar to it, but I feel like this one is one of those formulas where it gets better over time. When you first try it, you're gonna be like, oh, it's super clumpy and nasty. Give it a little bit of time, let it work itself in, and I promise you it will get better. And then the last thing I have here is by Cab, and this is a lip oil. Not expecting it to be blue. Oh, matches my eyes. Matches my eyes. Blue raspberry. It's like a snow cone. It does smell good. So that's 5 products that I got. The Lime Crime Venus palette retails for $38. The Too Faced Damn Girl mascara retails for $26. The lip oil, the setting spray retails for $22. The lip oil retails for $20, and then the wet brush system retails for $15. So that is the very first box. Let's move into the second box, and then I'll tell you guys what I think at the end. I do have my own subscription, which I will be doing another unboxing. You guys know this. And I did pick out my, like your choices. And I think one of them was the Fenty foundation. And let me know down below, but I was having so many issues trying to get that thing to like hook up. Like I couldn't get it to choose the product. It kept telling me to pick something else, but everything was available. I finally got it to work, but I know the Fenty foundation, I think it is one of the products I'm getting in my box. Supposed to be, hopefully I did it right. So here we have our box, and the first thing I see is this thing, which is by Skin Inc. This is my daily dose of Glow, Illuminate, and Brighten. It is a cocktail of chlorella, vitamin A, hyaluronic acid, encapsulated serums from Japan. Ooh, interesting. I'm gonna try this. I'm actually almost out of my oil right now. I am currently, for my daytime oil, I'm using the one by Shea Moisture. And I like it a lot, especially if you have dry skin like I did over the winter. I felt like I did a really good job at like keeping my skin hydrated. But I'm literally down to like my last couple drops, so I'm gonna actually use this immediately and I'll let you guys know how I think about it. Let's keep going. I see this thing, Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Wow, those are pretty. Oh wow, oh that's pretty. I think that was the same one I swatched. All right, so there are just a few of the bronze shadows. All right, so there you have a second set. Those are pretty. They're definitely all frosted, but I see 1, 2, 3, 4 shadows that are frosted. So I probably would use this as a conjunction palette. There's a lot of light colors in here. I feel like I could find a really good inner corner highlight, which actually I don't have an inner corner highlight right now. So let's pop some on and see how it works. Why not? Let's try Jared. Let's take Jared. Apply that right here. Oh, damn, Jared. Let's take a little bit of Johnny, a little matte white. Brighten it up with a little matte white too. I feel like I've seen this palette though before. I just can't figure out where. So what else do we have? We have this right here by Dominique Cosmetics. I love her brand. I have the shade Crush and I still don't know what it is though. Ooh, is this a lip liner? I like this. Not your typical lip liner. Like not the typical packaging for a lip liner, but I like it. Oh yeah, that's super creamy. Look at that. Okay, so now we're moving on. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch more stuff in here. Oh, I actually have these and they're really good. These are the Beauty Bakery blending eggs. So I actually got these like a year ago, last year, when Ulta was doing their like 21 days of beauty. They actually had these for steal, you guys. And it comes with a set of 6 beauty blenders in here, or beauty sponges. Cute. The packaging is always so fun. They work really good. I've tried them. They're really soft and squishy. This will last you such a long time. An awesome product. I also have Eloise right here. This is the Eloise Mini Teardrop Brush. Oh, fancy. It's a fancy brush. I think this is one that you use to like, do you do your face with it or your body? I don't know that I would use this for foundation. I feel like I would use this for like illuminator across the body. It's great for foundation, concealer, bronzer, finishing powder, body paint, self-tanning. That's what I was thinking, self-tanning. Next up is, ooh, this is what I was excited about. Glow Recipe. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Syrup for deep hydration and glow. Exciting. This box is totally worth the money. How beautiful that is. Oh, and then it comes with a little pump. I got this, which is a 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. Ooh, very cool. All right, and last thing I have in here is a box, and inside the box, oh, this is cute. Oh, look at that. It says face, eyes, and lips. This would be great because I have brushes over here that I use for like filming and stuff. But then like every day, like getting ready, I actually have my makeup brushes. Let me show you that. In this little random nook, and I kind of just shove them all in there. So this is awesome. I will definitely be using this. That is everything that I got in the box. Let's go over prices really quickly. The B Beauty London eyeshadow palette retails for $50. The Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Syrup retails for $42, which I think is actually a pretty good deal. The Skin Inc. Daily Dose of Glow retails for $65. This product here. The like little teardrop brush by Eloise retails for $45. Brush holder retails for $34. I'm sorry, but I feel like that's really pricey because at TJ Maxx you can find something really cute like that. Not TJ Maxx, Home Goods. You can find something very similar for about $13 or $14, but that's just my take on it. The Beauty Bakery beauty sponges are $18. That is right on par. Dominique Cosmetics lip liners, $18, yes. And then the Skincare Kiss the Scars lip plumping mask retails for $42. I don't know that I pay $42 for that. But that set aside, this has got to be a great box. I will say the base box was phenomenal. Love the Venus palette. The setting spray sounds good. The Damn Girl mascara. I'm a huge fan of the Damn Girl mascara, so for me, in my eyes, I feel like that definitely just justified the entire box itself. Definitely a good box. I love it. I have a great range of actually makeup and skincare and like lifestyle products, and then the base box just, you know, all together. I do think that the boxes were worth it together. So you guys let me know what you guys did for your choosing. Like, what did you guys choose? What are you excited about and hope to get in your box? Keep in mind, I will have my unboxings coming. I actually just got my notification that my boxes have been shipped out, so another unboxing of Boxycharms will be coming at you pretty soon. And then keep an eye out for this eye look. I did film this get ready with me trying new products out, so this entire makeup look will be live shortly after this video. And if you guys are watching this after, then I will link it here. If not, I will link some other videos that I have recently shot. And that's basically all. Thank you all for watching today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel, and you guys know what to do. Hit that notification bell if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.